Ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
What's up everyone, this is Jonas Blue. I'm heading to India for the Cherry Blossom Festival in Shillong on the 19th of November 2023. And I can't wait to see you all there. Peace.
Baby, we don't need no reason why. Let's go! Come on, come on, come over. Try to avoid some noise.
Kashilong Lajong kan airing pat persya ya ke Gokulam Kerela ha ke jingya khun persya ke basau jongka ha ke hero I League ke minta ke samai hamadan first ground jongka Shillong Sports Association ha polo ha ke sngi ublei ka khat khandai serik minta ubenai nai weng aja ar pulai ke wan sedang ha ke por arbje Hadim miklaya khat ya ke jingya khun ke bakhat do persya ya ke Trinity Deacon FC minta ke Lajong kan airing pat persya ya ke kinhun ke bela yokra arsen ya ke I League ke Gokulam Kerela ke bela job laisin bat ya khat shisen bat ya minta ke dan hak kerdan meningkong hak me ya ken point de shipho na sausen ya lekai habakren chikla pathai ku bor conference hall jong ke SSA hapolo u head coach ke Gokulam Kerela u Domingo Oramas u lapin pau baka kinhun jong u ke dan hak kerdan ya lekai ke babiang bha bat ki kimi linti bikin yok khur ya ki lai point persya ya ka Lajong hakasngi ublei bat ulay ro ya ka Lajong baka ya lekai kom ka kinhun bat kanom dei ke basuk banyak khun persya ya ki u head coach ka Shillong Lajong u ba Bobby nong bet habakren ula pin pau baka kinhun jong u ka ya lekai bha hakajnya khun bakhat du jong ka wat la ka lapin kut da ka jingya khat bat u kimi linti baki rang ya lekai jong u kin plet jimut bha hakajnya khun ka bala shai kasngi bat banyele kat bala banum aila than ki rangyele kai ka Gokulam Kerela.
It was a long trip from Calicut to here, but we are very excited for playing tomorrow. We are in this moment. I think we are in our best moment, and we trained the last 2 days here. I don't understand why we train in other pitch. But in my opinion, I think I-League team has to help each one. We're training in another pitch, different pitch, not good pitch, not more vapor goals, but anyway, I think we are in our best moment. We did a good 2 training sessions before today. I hope to see the best Gokulam Kerela on Sunday. I didn't see the last season. We have to look forward in this moment. We are focusing in the next match. So Shillong is playing really well, has a good team, 3 draw in the last 3 matches. And I think it's a very difficult match for us. And I hope before I hope to see the best Gokulam Kerala. So we are training a lot in the best pitch. But anyway, today we have the last training session. Take a rest, and tomorrow try to do our best.
Edu is a good player. He has lots of experience in Indian football. So for us, he's good. He is with us. So he is giving us information like how to play. Like he is giving more confidence. So we play with him is very good for us. Like to build up. Like he knows that how to play in I-League or ISL. He already lots of experience in Indian football. So for us, it's very good. We have Edu.
Shillong is a good team. He has a very good foreign players. We are playing with in his field with his supporter. For us, it's going to be a really difficult match. But we are preparing all for win. So, in my opinion, we are in our best moment. So. We need to improve in defense and time maybe, but we are creating a lot of chances of goal every match, and I hope to do the same tomorrow and try to to be a success in both boxes. So in this moment, I think we are growing every week. Players is knowing the new coach, my idea, football idea, and I hope to keep growing every week. And tomorrow is our first match in TAR, and I hope to do our best. Of course, but our team is not only Edu, Bedia and Alex. We have a lot of very good Indian players as well. We have a lot of staff working a lot, so we are a family. All together we can get good objectives, but anyway, I understand Alex is scoring a lot every week, but if Alex is not playing, is playing Justin or Santami or anyone. So the most important for us is team together. Together we can get objectives, and everybody has to help for getting. Around this precision, we train in TAF. TAF is the same for Shilong and for us, so it doesn't matter.
It's going to be tough for the It's going to be tough for us. It's going to be easy for them.
No, it's not easy. It's difficult as well. So I told you at the beginning. So both teams in a good moment and in tough. I hope we can do our best. Foreign players, Edus, Alex, Nili, Justin, Colro, and Boba. We have good players, very competitive players. Anyone can play, so every match. So along this week we have studied Shilong, and we will do our best lineup for the start of the match.
It was a very disappointing draw last match against Rudy. I remember that we have focused very much on the win, and then we even had our chances, but then eventually we had to settle for a draw. But again, tomorrow is another huge encounter against Gokulam, Kerela, and they are in a good form. And I think that tomorrow you will have to, perform to our best ability and get our first 3 points again. We are looking forward that tomorrow will be a very tough match for us, and definitely we have to work right from the very whistle of the match till the last.
In 3 games, like we draw in all those 3 games, so we are still hungry to win. So tomorrow it will be a tough match for us to play against Gokulam, but we are ready and prepared, and hope we'll get our first win tomorrow.
That's one thing that we are concerned of, obviously, and considering the current form they are in. But the only thing that if we are focused on how to tackle them, then it's a bit difficult for us to go ahead and win for the match. In fact, we are focused in playing our own game and display a better game than the last, and concentrate on the win, because there's nothing else that we are concerned of right now. It's obviously we are also focusing on recovery of the ball. Definitely when Sanchez, I believe that not only Sanchez, even Abu, even are all there in a very good form. Kosnov is also in a good form. So the only thing that we play against a good team, so we have to play collectively and exhibit a good game tomorrow, and definitely definitely be checking on Sanchez, of course. No, in that context, again, I'm saying that if we're going for a win, there's definitely a different attacking game that we have to adopt, and make sure that we're going to get those important necessary points that we are so eager about. Desi hadu bentar kini game ni ada ni la ya persang ni kena ya persang ni te kalau ba hayeng ni dalam impala perform kata apa kesini terus ni ni kai yang try kam duna tu kata dari somba mangin la mendep ka rukom ni kai berka finishing jungi kena ban job is not in a game Ray hadu bentar ka jungi kena tolong ba kena jungi bila kaya home ki kindiat ki ngatrai ki long distracted kindiat nomor hayang tadi dan ke pressure badan ni kindiat ki nomor hayang mo dan baru khat ki supporters kidan Ray kadang dap ni game arti game pemutang kita astang sutho kita astang sotenan per kita alaman handle ya ka audience kan long spectators na dan berhaju por kita alaban sotho ke ibe khabar le madan te desi rasa ke sing pagandi ke sing magin la pedor loy kita da begini on tap goal da ha kidu kiti begini la ban yo chances but kumjuru ban le pha ban gine ke ball but defender haju upor but overall hi kalau bagin la ban kai phai kalau bagin yo ya ka jong bagin atrang